Hi everyone, I'm Karen from Easy Access English, and today I'm going to be speaking to you about connected speech. So connected speech takes on modifications in the pronunciation of individual words. We do this through assimilation, elision, linking sounds, stress and rhythm, and finally we have contractions. So in assimilation is where sounds take on the characteristics of neighbouring sounds. For example, in the phrase 10 bucks, the N sound in 10 may assimilate to an M sound due to the following B sound, leading to the pronunciation 10 bucks. Next up, we have elision. So elision is where sounds or syllables are omitted in connected speech to facilitate smooth and efficient communication. For example, we have the phrase, I have to go. The H sound in have and the T sound in T, to, may be elided, leading to the pronunciation, I've to go. Now we're going to look at linking sounds. So linking sounds between words affects their pronunciation. For example, in the phrase green apple, the N sound in green might link with the A sound in apple, resulting in the pronunciation green apple. Now we have stress and rhythm. Connected speech affects the stress and rhythm of spoken language. Certain words or syllables receive greater emphasis. For example, in the phrase I want to go, the word want is stressed, while the other words are less prominent, resulting in the pronunciation, I want to go. Finally, we have contractions. So connected speech involves the use of contractions, where words are combined and shortened. This affects the pronunciation and of the rhythm and speech. For example, in the phrase, I did not becomes I didn't. So there you go. I hope you find this video on connected speech helpful. Thank you for listening. Bye.